love jewelry and I've been collecting it for over like 20 years. But this year I decided I wanted to purchase from brands that I've never really purchased from before, but I followed and been interested in. So first up is Melinda Maria Jewelry. I got a male's mystery box. And the mystery box is named after the owner and CEO, Melinda Maria. And I'm so excited because I follow her. I love what she's doing. I enjoy her jewelry. I enjoy her content. So I got the mystery box in silver. I actually got it as a Christmas present. Obviously, I've already opened it up, but I wanted to show you guys what I got. And if you were interested in this brand, to show you what, you're in store for. So this is Jewelry Jabber. I'm Dana. So let's get into it. This is what the box looks like open. At the top, it says, "Life is too short to wear boring jewelry." I couldn't agree more. I did get a gift box because I wanted to see the gift wrapping. It's a magnetic small box and it has the red ribbon. I think the red ribbon was for the holidays, but I just wanted to check out and see how the gift boxes would come. Absolutely love this. This is perfect for easy gift giving because you can just put the piece of jewelry in here, put it in a bag, easy peasy, lemon squeezy, you're ready to go. So I really like that. And purple is my favorite color, so I'm loving the packaging. And then for the postcard, like I said, I did get it over the holidays, so this was the holiday postcard. But the nice touch that I do like is that it says, "I'm so grateful," and then Melinda wrote a note and it shows her entire team. I really like that. It's like a nice little touch. You see who, the people are in customer service, people that are packaging your, jewelry and stuff. So I like that. And then all of the jewelry came in this box and it says Melinda Maria in gold foil. And then it's a magnetic box and opens up like this. On the inside, it says, "Surprise, we love you." And then all of the pieces are individually wrapped in reusable pouches, and each pouch has Melinda Maria's name on it. So let's get into it, see what we got. First up is the Hello Gorgeous Samantha chain. It is an oval simulated diamond. And the chain is a paperclip chain. It's silver plated over brass. The chain itself is 17 to 20 inches, so it's adjustable. It's very lightweight. I think the stone is absolutely gorgeous. So let me try it on for you. So this is what the necklace looks like on. Again, it does measure between 17 and 20 inches depending on the length that you desire. It is perfect for layering, or you can wear it alone. As you can see, I have it with a cute t-shirt on, just like a grab and go. Absolutely gorgeous. I love it. You can dress this up or down very easily. These next pair of earrings are a little out of my comfort zone. Well, not out of my comfort zone. They're just some earrings that I wouldn't normally pick out for myself. But I guess that's the beauty of a mystery box. You get to experience styles that you wouldn't normally pick out for yourself. They do have nice movement though. I'm up for the challenge to see how I can style these in my everyday wardrobe. They have a nice weight to them. They are not lightweight, but they're not heavy. But these are kind of cute. I'll give you a close-up. This is what they look like up close. As you can see, they have amazing movement and they make the little jingle noise. So if you're like a person that loves the sound of jewelry, like a charm bracelet or earrings that make noise, you would really like these. I'm not mad at these. They're cute, so you'll see me style these soon. This next piece is a silver chain necklace. It's very similar to their little Frankie necklace on the website, but I didn't find this exact necklace. It is about 16 inches. It's a nice weight, and this will be a great layering piece. I definitely plan on layering this with gold chains, other silver chains. This is definitely a nice piece, and it has a padlock clasp on it. And I thought it was interesting because I don't know if you can see, but one of the links has clear stones. So I thought that was really cute. And the clasp actually has MM on it for Melinda Maria. So that's a nice touch as well. So I'm gonna try this one on first. I do like the style of a chain. I don't have anything like this in my collection, which is a rarity when it comes to chains. So I really like the uniqueness of it. It is 16 inches. It's not adjustable. It's very comfortable to wear. And like I said before, this will be so easy to style and so easy to layer with other chains. So this is definitely a great addition to my jewelry collections. Lastly, I got the She's So Smooth Mama hoops. And I understand why they named them Mama, because these are definitely a statement hoop if I've ever seen one. They are very smooth. As you can see, it's like a smooth, shiny silver. They're a nice size, but they are a statement because of the thickness of them. As you can see, they're definitely a statement. I do like I'm such a jewelry girl. Like it's the details for me. I like the ear nut. Like if you can see, that's a unique style, and I can tell that that would be comfortable to wear. It's the details that I really appreciate. And yeah, I've never seen an ear nut like that, which like the back of the earring. Like I've never seen that before. One in that style. That might be something that's custom to Melinda Maria's brand. But yeah, I like these. They're definitely a nice weight to them. But they're a statement. I don't have anything like this. That excites me. So let's try them on. Here they are from the front. And then this is what they look like on the side. They do have a little weight to them. They are not uncomfortable, but they are a little weighty, if that makes sense. I do like the statement that they give, and it actually pairs nicely with this chain too. So that's a nice little combo. And as you can see, I'm just like wearing a t-shirt, but the earrings and the chain, it just gives it a little, you know, a little zhuzh. So these are cute. And there's just something I don't have. And for me, y'all, that's a rarity. Honestly, that is a rarity. So getting pieces that I don't have in my collection really gets me excited. So I really like these. These are like probably my faves. Probably, I think. This was fun. I cannot wait to get some more pieces from Melinda Maria. If you have some pieces from Melinda Maria, let me know your faves in the comments below so that I can check them out. And I cannot wait to do this again with y'all. Like, I can't wait to do it again. Like, what jewelry brand should I try next? What should I try next? I don't know. You'll have to stay tuned to see. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. And if you're a jewelry lover and you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks bunches for watching. Toodles!